Hello, this is our clock. This is mechanism and the parts, and this are the clock hands, minute hands, and the second hands. First of all, we put this item on the clock mechanism like this from the back side, and then the teeny ring, and then this one. We turn the mechanism when it stops. And then first we set the clock hands. And then the minute hands. And last, the second hand. All parts should show the 12, and then we adjust the clock from here. All parts shouldn't touch each other. You can easily shape the hands not to touch each other. Okay, that's all. I hope you can do it easily.